California. Hello everyone, now we are in Chengdu in Tianfu Agriculture Park Expo together with Miss Friendship International 2025. This is the third city that we are visiting after Shanghai on the first arrival, and then Sichuan, and this is the third city, which is Chengdu in China. So now all the girls are visiting Tianfu Agriculture Park Expo for today's activities. So today's activities we have two places to visit. So this is the first destinations in Chengdu, China. This is the first place for the visiting activities for today in Tianfu Agricultural Park Expo in Chengdu, China. So today we have around 35 contestants, candidates joining this activity. So our